Right, drawing this object over here, it's exercise number 2 on page 1.6. Start out, it says that I have got a nice dark base of AB, so I darken that in. I then take my set square and I draw a construction line at 45 degrees going that way and 45 degrees going that way. I take my pair of dividers and I measure off the length of AB over here, and I arc that up onto that line over there. In other words, that length is the same as AB. I can now darken that in. I can take a construction line going across, and I can then darken this line in over here from B to this next point. Right, once I've got that, it goes up vertical, goes up vertical. What I'd like to do is I'm just going to draw a line going vertical from A, and you'll see why I've done that. I'm going to measure off this length from there to there. I know that the height of the octagon will remain the same, so I can go right up to the top over here. I can draw a construction line going across at the top over here. If I draw a line going up from B, I can then darken in that little segment over there. Once I've got that in place, I can draw 45-degree lines coming down from there and from there. The secret to this game is try to figure out ways in which you can reduce the number of times you have to pick up any instrument to physically measure it. Right, once I've got that octagon in place, it then says that I need to draw a circle that will go right the way through, right the way around it, circumscribe the octagon. How will I do that? I'm going to take a line going from there to there, a construction line, and a construction line going from there to there. After that, you take your pair of compasses, whoops, tighten that in properly, and set your pair of compasses to the radius of from the center to one of the corners. If you've drawn accurately, it should go through all of those corners perfectly. Try and get that line nice and dark. Okay, right. Once you've got that, you need to draw a square that goes from the center. So you draw a construction line coming down. In fact, you can go straight with a center line going through. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. There's the center there. It says that you've got a center line going across there. Do the same thing over here. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. Once I've got that in place, I can now take my set square and I can join those up with a hidden detail line. Try and keep the lines absolutely consistent. Right. And going up to the top like that. Right, once that's in place, it says that you need to have a circle going around there that makes a tangent to the square that I've just drawn. So you need to draw a line going through there. It says that, okay, once you've got that, you take your set square and you drop a line down. It is a dark line, so you drop that straight down from that point till it hits the hidden detail line there. Take that across from there to the hidden detail line there. Take that up to the hidden detail line over here. Take that up to the hidden detail line there. Right, once that's in place, it says that you need to do a hidden detail circle that goes around that square. Take your pair of compasses and try and keep the line consistency the same right the way around this thing. Nice small little dashes, about 2 millimeters in length. That will join up perfectly over there. Right. Hopefully everybody can see that. That is that one done. I think I've finished everything. Just check over here. It seems that they've got some construction lines going across there. I just did them in a different direction, but that's fine. Right. That's that.